Today, I'm going to show you how to grow lucky bamboo saplings in water from seeds. Whether you're a plant enthusiast or just looking for a fun project, this guide will give you all the tips and tricks you need to grow your own lucky bamboo. Step 1. Gather your materials. Before we get started, here's what you'll need. 1. Lucky bamboo seeds. You can find these online or at a garden center. 2. A shallow container or bowl. 3. Clean distilled water. Tap water can contain chemicals that harm the plant. 4. Small pebbles or marbles. 5. A sunny, warm spot for germination. 6. Optional, rooting hormone powder to speed up the process. Step 2. Soak the seeds. Step 2 is soaking your lucky bamboo seeds. Fill a shallow container with distilled water and gently place your seeds in it. Let them soak for about 24 hours. This will soften the outer shell and help the seeds absorb moisture, encouraging germination. Step 3. Prepare the growing environment. While your seeds are soaking, it's time to prepare their new home. Choose a container that has enough depth to hold water and support the growing roots. Fill the bottom with pebbles or marbles. This will not only hold the seeds in place, but also allow the roots to anchor as they grow. Step 4. Plant the seeds. After 24 hours, your seeds are ready to be planted. Gently place them on top of the pebbles or marbles. You don't need to cover them with anything, just ensure they're secure and stable. Step 5. Add water. Now, fill the container with distilled water, but not too much. You want the water level to be just high enough to keep the seeds moist, but not completely submerged. Make sure to use clean, distilled water to avoid any chemical interference. Step 6. Find the perfect spot. Next, place your container in a warm, sunny spot where it gets plenty of indirect light. Direct sunlight can be too intense for the seeds at this stage. A windowsill with filtered light works great. Step 7. Maintenance and patience. Now it's time for the hardest part, being patient. Check on your seeds daily and ensure the water level stays consistent. Lucky bamboo seeds can take anywhere from 2 to 6 weeks to germinate. If you're using rooting hormone, this might speed up the process. You'll begin to notice tiny roots and sprouts forming. Keep topping off the water to ensure the seeds stay moist, but not completely submerged. Step 8. Transplanting your bamboo saplings. Once your bamboo saplings are a few inches tall and have developed roots, you can transfer them to a larger container with more pebbles or marbles to support their growth. Fill the container with enough distilled water to keep the roots submerged, but not the stalks. To keep your lucky bamboo healthy, make sure to replace the water every 1-2 weeks, and always use distilled or filtered water. Avoid placing your bamboo in direct sunlight and wipe the leaves clean occasionally to keep them dust-free. And there you have it, your very own lucky bamboo plant grown from seeds. With just a little patience and care, you'll have a beautiful, thriving plant to brighten up your home. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more plant care tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.